faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. So this morning I'm starting the vlog on the street. I didn't remember to start the vlog before I left home. So the kids and the husband is outside and I'm at the post office. My first stop this morning, I need to verify my identification with my ID. So I have to do that at the post office. So this is in order to get into my next project that I have to do, which I won't share with you guys just yet until it is verified and sealed. But I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with me. So I'm at the post office right now to see what this verification is all about. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll catch you guys with the husband and the kids in the car outside. It's raining all day today, so I'm out in the streets while it's raining. So yeah, I'll catch you guys along the day. So have a good day. Subscribe to the fan bam, catch my keep up, and of course I'll see you guys later. So that's the post office. It's called La Poste in French, and I'll be going inside. There's a little line, not too much line, but ah ouais.
Je pensais que je pouvais tout faire aux automates, mais non.
Ah oui. Je suis ici pour vérifier mon identité numérique. C'est ici ou là?
C'est ici, j'arrive dessus.
Ok. Alors, j'ai reçu le code. C'est 494691.
Je vais juste regarder si...
J'ai aussi reçu cette mail sur ligne.
C'était quoi le premier message?
C'est juste ça. Et
le
après,
premier que vous m'avez montré avec le code. C'est quoi votre numéro de téléphone?
07 81 94.
Oui.
Ah,
Mélissa Delaveaus?
Oui, c'est moi.
Oui, c'est bon. Vous êtes enregistré.
Ok, c'est tout? Ouais. J'ai reçu un mail ou message sur ligne ou...
Oh.
Ah, ok.
Ah, c'est bon.
C'est bon?
Oui, si je vous ai trouvé, c'est que vous êtes enregistré.
Ok,
Bon.
merci.
Bonne journée.
Au revoir.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Okay. That's done. And now I have to go out in the rain to find the fan bam. So I have to put up you guys. So see you guys when I reach the family. Say hello to Fizz. Say wagwan.
Wagwan! Wagwan!
Okay, okay. I'm about to let the show, right? Alright, now I need to go take some photos in here. Tyler, say hello.
Hello.
You're freezing? Zip up your jacket.
I'm so cold.
You're cold? Huh? Setting up the area for me to take the photos. Say hello, husband.
Hello.
Hello. So I need to take photos.
Ta signature
Uh-huh.
et ils envoient les photos et la signature.
Please.
Please,
Mama.
Also and give you a number. Okay.
Okay. No, Sarah, no, it's dangerous. New KFC open. Go, follow Papa. Go. You want to walk? Yes. Go. New KFC open, so we're testing it out. Go, 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 catch Tai Tai. Lunchtime at KFC. Give it to me. It's yummy, Tai. Tyler love when I take this fries with the cheese and the bacon on it. Yep, always abandon his own and have mine. Okay, so I can't say I've never sampled this KFC. And the good thing is this one is closer to home than the one I would normally go to. Bad for me, but good business. Because now I want to go to KFC more than usually. Not good. Take a photo. Hola. Window shopping again. I'm doing a little shopping today, not just window shopping today.
Which one?
What do you mean?
2?
Mama, we already have this.
Yes, that's the one Grandma got last year.
Look! There's a chair, Peppa. Oh,
Yeah, you already have. Ah! Oh my God, we didn't get her this, honey.
Peppa, quick!
We get her the little one? Ah, okay. The big chuppy is so cute. Sarah getting upset. The big chuppy is so dang cute, but look at the price.
Where the second project is now one that is 25.
Ah, Sarah, take it up. You're riding the horse. He said, chicken, chicken, chicken. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Yeah? It's broken. It's not working. It's not working, okay? We can't trick Tyler. Tyler too smart. Tyler already knows it's not working. To feel like Christmas around here. You guys get off the road and I'm in wrapping mode. So that's what I'm about to do. Do. To check my list and make sure we got all that we want. Alexa, pause. I have unexpected guests. Look at them. Look at them. Ambushed. They come to pick up one thing and I capture them. So where's the bottle? She don't want it. Oh, princess. Tell mama you want dumpling. You want dumpling? Princess. Princess want dumpling.
No hablo español. No hablo español.
So you guys, I got back home and I made a big pot of soup for everybody. And then Amori don't eat soup, so I made Amori mac and cheese. You guys, me and my baby.
Chez nous, ils vont dire.
Hey.
Mais au niveau des médicaments que tu prends,
Comme
ça te soulage beaucoup plus vite.
Moi, le NyQuil, il marche bien sur moi.
Ouais, bah moi aussi, dès qu'on le prend, en un jour, 2 jours, t'es mieux.
Le NyQuil, il marche très bien.
Quand tu prends les...
And that is where we're also ending today's vlog. It's been a long day. It rained all day, so we stayed in, and the pot of soup was perfect. and I got my decor up. I need some more decor. I think I'll find some in the week. This Christmas tree that we have is a year older than Tyler, or probably 2 years older than Tyler. This Christmas tree is as old as when I moved to France. So I've been living here for 8 years, so this Christmas tree is 8 years old. Yes, Sarah?
I wanna watch TV.
Come for it.
Mama.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, which I know you did, you'll give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. My daughter is calling me, so I'm out.